Today, we'll talk about an app that will turn you into a meteorologist. I'm not kidding. I've been using it for a long time. While using it, I've compared it to the TV weather bulletin. It shows the same results as the TV bulletin. Using this app, you can monitor the movement of hurricanes in any part of the world, and even know how far that hurricane is from you, when it will approach you, when it will weaken. So without further ado, let's see what else you can do using this app. After opening this app, I noticed that there is a cyclone in the vicinity. You can see a bar at the bottom of the screen. There's a play button here. I'm going to play this button, but before that, I'm going to drag it a little bit. Now, we can see which way this cyclone will go and which way it came. Also see when it weakens. You can see a target button in the middle of the screen. The location you place this button on will show the wind speed at the top left side of the screen. If you pay attention, you can see that whenever the location is changed, the wind speed is also changing. Now, I set the target at this location, and it appears that there is a wind speed of 48 km per hour. I will now zoom out on this weather map to see if there are any signs of cyclones or cyclones elsewhere. Look here, a cyclone has formed in the ocean. We can see the wind speed in and around the center of the cyclone. If we want to see the weather forecast of a specific place, then we have to place the target over that location and click on this weather forecast option. Now here you can see the selected location, temperature, wind speed, rainfall amount, wind direction, etc. Here, and get detailed hourly weather forecast for Friday and also weather forecast for next 5 days. Another interesting feature of this app is the distance of cyclone location from your location or any other location. Place the target mark on the location from which you want to measure the distance, and then click on the distance and planning option at the top. From this feature you will get an approximate idea of your distance from the center of the cyclone. As you can see, the distance from my setting location is 66 kilometers. How far is the cyclone from your city? You can see it yourself, so you don't need to watch the TV bulletin. Click on these 3 lines and you will get many types of maps. Here you will find around 50 maps. Each of the maps has a different function, and each map is very useful. For example, with the cloud map you can know the amount of clouds in the sky. There is also satellite map, lightning map, wind map, weather map, dew point checker, humidity checker. It is not possible to cover all its features in one video. If you want, I will make a video with all these features. Please comment. Another important feature of this app is Hurricane Tracker. When a hurricane forms, this tracker will show you where and when the hurricane formed. From here, we can see the name of the cyclone, wind speed, and many other information. You can do all these features for free by downloading the app. This is not a sponsored video. I myself have benefited a lot from using this app. If you want, you can also download this app now. If you want me to make a dedicated video about all the features of this apps, then let me know in the comment box. If you found this app intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Best Apps for more exciting app reviews and tutorials.